Hi everybody, I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Fall Edition here, and this is how to make SD card default storage location for camera photos and videos. This works for Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, and of course S20 Fall Edition. So first, make sure that you have an SD card inserted into your phone and your phone is unlocked, because if you enter the camera by the shortcut, I mean double clicking the power button on the lock screen, this won't work. So first unlock your phone and make sure you have an SD card. Now you can go to the camera application by tapping on the icon or by double clicking the power button, and then go to settings, this gear icon at the top left corner, tap on it and scroll down until you see this item which is named storage location. Tap on this item and switch to SD card, and from now all your new photos and videos will be saved into the SD card memory, but all your old photos and videos are still in the internal memory of the device. So if you wish to move them to the SD card, you have to do it manually. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.